Maybe you've just set up SureCart on your website and you've noticed that your products are displaying like this. While you can edit this pattern in the WordPress Appearances tab, this quick start guide is about getting you building in the Bricks Builder and making use of all of its fantastic features. All right, so first we're going to go to our Bricks templates. We're going to add a new template. Now, before you name this, I just want to let you know that it's possible to have different product templates for different product types. So I'm just going to create a catch-all default, which is going to apply to all of my products. But as such, I'm going to make sure that I stay organized for future me and call this my default. I also use happy files, so I'm going to keep this into my singles folder. Organization is always a lovely thing to come across in the future. Now you're going to select your template type here, and we're going to choose SureCart single product. It might be very tempting to choose single here if you're accustomed to working with custom post types. This won't work. Make sure you use the SureCart single. And we're going to publish, fantastic, and edit with bricks. Now here's a little bonus lesson for you. Before you get pretty pictures and colors on your screen, take care of your settings. That is going to save you so many headaches. So let's go into our settings. We're going to go into our template settings, conditions, add a condition, choose a post type, and we're going to choose again that SureCart product post type. That's set for that. If you already have a product created, we can also populate the page. So we're going to go select, choose a post, and I have something called a muffin. And SureCart product, apply preview. That's it for settings. Now we get to have some fun. Let's put our section in here, go into our container, and we're going to look up our product form. So adding the product form is going to give you a moment of gratitude for the SureCart team. Just look at this. The SureCart team has done a fantastic job of separating all of the elements for us to modify without digging into CSS and doing random targeting. It's just right here. So with that out of the way, let's save and go take a look at the front end. I'm going to go take a look at this like that. And here we go. We already have something nicely set up. Honestly, this is a UX that most of your clients will be accustomed to, your users rather. We don't want to stray too far from those kinds of patterns. The only thing I will note that I am not a fan of as a default is that when I have images of different aspect ratios, I get this kind of a thing going on. So let's go to the back end. We're going to go select our product media, and we're going to take off auto height. I'm not really sure why that's the default, but there you go. Give it something static, refresh, and now our buttons aren't moving around on us, so we can continue to slide. Obviously I only have 2 images here, but if you had more, that's going to be a lot less frustrating of an experience. There you go. So easy. You've already got your product template set up, ready for all of the styling that you want to do. Now, after reading documentation and watching videos like this, the next best way to learn is just to start doing. So don't be scared to create a test environment, start messing around with things, break some things, and see what's possible. If you can't figure something out, you can come back and leave a comment, and I will try to help you out. I do have other videos planned for getting into different kinds of styling and different options that we'll be able to do, as well as setting up your shop and all those other pages. So stay tuned. Cheers.